this video, we will show you how to screen record on Samsung smartphone. To screen record on Samsung smartphone, maybe it's different for different models. Okay, and first make sure you have the application screen recorder on your default Samsung. You can see when we scroll down on our menu, we can click edit to verify. We can just click edit if we have the screen recorder on our Samsung version. Okay, in my case, we don't have the default screen recorder, you can see. Okay, now the questions how we can screen record. We can using third-party application. Okay, just go to Play Store. After that, we can try to find the screen recorder like AZ screen recorder like this. Okay, and in here I'm already installed. You can install this application if you want to try. You can also install another that's suitable with you. Okay, then to using the AZ screen recorder, you can see after you install, the application is floating here. We can just configuration by clicking this and clicking this to configure your application. You can choose the resolution. You can record the 1080 on full HD if you're using the free version. Okay, you can also choose video quality, frame rate, and another. Okay, after that, to start the recording, you can just click this, then you can just click this icon, and you can choose a single apps or just using entire screen. Just click start. Okay, now the screen record has been works, but in my case, our application to share the screen is closed because we use same method here. You can see there, after we screen record, we can just click this. This is our results. Okay, you can see here. And that's all tutorial how we can screen record on Samsung smartphone. Okay, maybe there are many other screen recorder on the Google Play Store, but if you just want using the Samsung application, try to find it via the menu on your smartphone. Okay, by clicking these panels and edit, try to find if you have screen recorder in default application. Okay, hope this video helpful for you, and thanks for watching.